Hello, my future chefs. How are you? This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to make shish barak. It's a very famous dish. We need flour to make the dough, water, yogurt, feta cheese, meat, oil, cornstarch, walnuts, and we need butter, salt, pepper, mint, and we need oil to fry the shish barak. So we want to start with the dough. It's 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon salt, olive oil about like 1 tablespoon, sorry. Water, it will take about like half a cup or a little bit more, little bit less. It depends the flour that you are using. So I'm gonna mix this together. This dough, it has to be little hard. You don't need it soft. So it will be much easier when you are shaping the shish barak. You need it hard. So if you feel like it's little loose, just add some flour to it. Mix it together to have a very strong, nice dough. So when I mix it, I felt like it needs just a little bit more flour. I put 1 tablespoon. That's why when you put the water, put it little by little so you can manage. Now I'm gonna cut this to 4 pieces. I'm gonna let it rest. I'm gonna use this. My son-in-law got it for me for Christmas. And now we are going to start to make the stuffing for it. So I'm gonna put some oil, some butter. You don't want to put too much because you need your stuffing to be dry. And you have to mix it very, very good. You want the meat to be very, very smooth. This is crushed walnut. I'm gonna put 1 cup. That's it. Now I'm gonna put the spices and keep, like, if you see any big piece, just try to mash it. I'm gonna turn the fire off and I'm gonna add my spices. I'm gonna put salt, not too much, always better to add than black pepper, and some 7 spices. And you see, I don't need any fat or any juice, any water in the bottom, because when you make the shish barak, you need it to be very dry. We don't want them to open. Yeah, that's it. Our stuffing is ready. I have this. This is, they call it, like, it's for ravioli, but it's for shish barak maker too. So it's so easy, so simple to make it. The first time maybe you'll feel like it's a little hard, but then you'll get used to it. It's so easy. It will make 36 shish barak in one time. And for this dough, I'll make 3 of this. So you calculate, maybe 108. Yeah. You see how easy and how smooth the dough. That's it. So now we finished the first layer. I'm gonna put it here, but make sure to put flour around here so the dough won't stick to the holes. Okay, just put it like that. And now you bring this, your rolling pan, and just go slowly around it. And now I'm gonna put the stuffing inside here. I'm using a teaspoon. I'm gonna go a little bit down so I can easily put the stuffing inside, or you can go one by one. You see? Try not to make any mess around the dough, because when we put the other layer on top, we want it to close good. This dish, when you want to make it, when we used to make it, we used to be like the whole family sitting, everybody working. Now I'm gonna put this aside and make the top layer. I'm gonna put this in top of this, and I'm gonna roll this in top. Take the outside dough Look. So I'm gonna do it the original way with the cup. You can use a smaller one or you can use this one. It's the same thing. Just go around the edges a little bit and with a small spoon put a little bit inside and close it. See, it's like a half a moon, and then you turn it like that. This is the original shish barak. Some people they fry it, some people they bake it. It's up to you. For me, we get used to it frying. It tastes better. It's you know, it's good. So, but it's up to you if you wanna bake it or fry it. See now if they are hot enough or not yet. Yes. You don't want to put too much at a time. You need to leave room when you turn them around. So here we have the meat, it's cooked already. We just need the dough to get little pink, not too much. Another tip, like if you have a party and you want to make this dish ahead, you can make the shish barak and just fry it and put it in the freezer. They will be good too. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna take them now. I don't want them too pink, just a little bit. So now, after I finish the shish barak and I fry them, I'm gonna make the yogurt sauce. So what we need for that, first I'm gonna put some butter, very low. I love to put with this dish, with any yogurt dish I make, some feta cheese. It has like the soury, salty, heavy taste. I'm gonna put a small piece of feta cheese, and I'm gonna put here the yogurt that I made. I'm gonna put 4 cups. It's homemade laban. One day we will make the recipe for you guys. And I have here 1 tablespoon cornstarch. So I put 4 cups, and now I'm gonna add 2 more cups of yogurt. And I'm gonna put half a cup water with it. Okay. Gonna try the salt a little bit. It's good. So now I'm gonna put them here. So you don't leave them at all. You just keep moving them, moving the yogurt around until they are thick. So I'm gonna add some black pepper to this. Some people they make it with yogurt, some people they make it with sumac, and some people will make it with kishk. And the 3 ways are so good. I tried it once with kishk, it's very good too. Maybe one day we'll make it. You see, they start to boil. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the dry mint and then add the shish barak. One thing, when I put the shish barak, I'm gonna turn it off. I don't want the shish barak to get cooked too much because they already cooked. The meat is cooked, the dough is cooked. So we just need them to observe the sauce, the white sauce. Not too much. Some people they don't put, some people they put. It's the same sauce for the kibbi Lebanese, for so many Leban dishes we use the same sauce. I'm gonna turn it off and put the shish barak. So yeah, I don't overload them, just one layer. I don't want them to get so mushy. That's it. Now I'm gonna cover the pot and leave them for like 5 minutes, and then they are ready to be served and eat. So this is our shish barak. It's done. Thank you for watching me. Hope that you'll make it and let me know in the comment how it will come out with you. Thank you again, and I will see you next week. Bye.